What's up? I've been busy here lately. I haven't been able to do anything here as of late, but I've been practicing, putting everything together. So I wrote some bit of code and I'm testing it out in IRB for a random LED light up. So it will turn on the LEDs at random, or as random as a computer can get anyways. So as you can see here, so the issue that I was having was I couldn't randomize variables or definitions or anything like that. So what I had to do, which it's not on this, but it's already in my IRB. I just did this because I got tired of having to redo my code that I kept doing a typo in. So I just did it here and just copied and pasted it over. But what I did was I made an array of colors. So I had blue, white, red, and green. And then in my loop test, I told it to, in my test, told it to do a loop do led.sample, which sample is the Ruby method of randomizing strings or in arrays. I don't need the sleep on that part, so that's fine. I took that out, commented it out on this test run. Then in my if statements, I said if the led.sample is equal to led position 0, which would be blue, because it counts to position 0, 1, and 2, it will put the LED, well, whatever in the LED array in position 0, which would be blue, and then turn on the pin 7, sleep for half a second, and then turn it off. And I did this for each color of the LEDs. So 0, 1, 2, and 3, that'd be blue, white, red, and green. So with the puts method, if we come back over to IRB, we get this. It puts out what the string is within the array. And then the rest of it, as you can see here, I still need to figure out the rest of it. Well, buttons, that's not an issue, but I'll need to come up with a method to be able to let the computer run this in a sequence, either one time or 2 times, so on and so forth, for how Simon Says works. And then it'll ask for the human input by hitting the buttons. Now, I don't have the buttons, they're plugged in, but I don't have them assigned to any of the pins. Those pins are off, not programmed at this point in time. So this is what I got so far. So once I get this done, I will continue the tutorial on the Simon Says game with physical computing with a Raspberry Pi, GPIO pins, some LEDs, and some tactile push buttons.